Okay, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to get into the next meme coin I think is going to run. If you've been following the channel, we caught an absolute banger last video on Wojak. We're up over 100% from there. And we've caught Pepe, Doge, Bonk. But I'm going to show you the next meme coin I think is going to bounce and bounce hard. So stick around for the end of the video till we get into that. But Bitcoin has seen a slight retracement here from the high. But I want to show you guys why while people are getting bearish down here at range lows, this is where we start loading up. This is where we look for the bullish opportunities. When people have thought, oh, this slight pump was over. However, when people are getting bearish at range lows, this is when we start adding to our positions. So we can get in bullish at range lows when there's fear in the market, because we can have our stop loss much tighter here. So for a much tighter invalidation, the reward can be far, far greater here. And that's what we want to do on this channel. We want to turn a small amount of money into a huge amount of money. And that's completely possible with crypto in a bull run if you pick the correct niche, the correct market right now, which is meme coins. It is real world assets, AI. You don't want to be in holding anything else, not anything really with utility right now. It's all meme coins, hype and human emotion drive the market. It's not utility. So let's get into why I'm bullish down here at range lows on Bitcoin when we've had this pullback of 8% or so, because we were in this 1 hour price lag. We failed this FVG. However, we found a 4 hour order block. In there, we had this inside bar, swept the lows. We've broken above it now, so we've made a bullish market structure shift in here. In this order block, we also had like SFPs of the lows, swept the liquidity, and now we're making a move to the upside. So if we can come back down into here, I'm looking to get filled in my Bitcoin long and targeting up here at this $72,000 level. So that's where I'm getting bullish. Am I playing much in Bitcoin spot? Certainly not. I'll leverage long this. However, spot, I want to tell you guys today about Floki. So Floki is something that we've also backtested. We want to have a statistically backed edge, not something that, oh yeah, Floki, yeah, it's got good fundamentals. Who cares, man? Right? I want to find out what made the most money on this historically, and how can we capitalize on that, and then how can we use that to our advantage going in the future. So what we've done is we looked at what the best performing moving average was on Floki. It turned out to be this one here. We got above it. We made this huge rally up. Then we got down below it, and we locked in profits here because and avoided the 40% dump. But we didn't know if it was going to dump and sell off further. That's why what we do here, we can protect our assets, we can ride the momentum, then take our profits when the momentum turns bearish. So in this chopping sideways, we're not stuck wondering, oh, is this following all the way back down here? No, we'd be out of position, waiting for the momentum to turn bullish again, which it did when we got back above. And yeah, since that, we're up 20%. However, what we're noticing now is, yes, we're above our best performing moving average, but also market structure. This looks excellent. We made a series of higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and higher highs, higher highs. So the market structure is good. If we look at the volume profile, we can take it from this impulse leg. We made the low to the high. If I just click this on here, and you can see, if I hide this, that the value area high, where we want to do business, we don't want to really be stuck in the middle of the range. Or you do business, you'd look to shorter value area high, longer value area low. However, I don't think Floki is going to get all the way down here. So we want to do business on the outside of this value area high. And certainly if I just click this back on, you can see that's exactly what we've done here. This beautiful SR flip. So we've been pinned under this value area high. We came back down here to support, pushed above, and now we are making like a flag on top of this. So if we can break up above here with the momentum, it looks incredibly bullish Floki. As well, when we look at RSIs, this is the 4 hour, 12 hour daily, 3-day, and weekly. So we want to see momentum not too far overextended above the red line here. And when we get above 70 on the RSI, we think it's a little bit overbought, and we'd be looking for momentum to cool off. But what's nice about this is we have the 1 day, the 1 week RSI still got a lot of room to grow to the upside. The 3-day, a lot of room to go to the upside. The 1 day looking healthy above the 50 RSI. The 12 hour looking very, very healthy above the 50 RSI. And you can see what happened previously. When the RSI got above, we had a bullish push. We came back down here for the RSI to set on the 50 level. And bang, we got another bullish move up here. So now the RSI is resetting on the value area high. So that's really where our invalidation is. If we get a daily close below here, we want to be out of position. We look to add back in when momentum turns bullish again. But for now, above, what is this, 3021, we're incredibly bullish here on Floki. And the 4 hour is also maintaining above the 50. The momentum is just reset after this big push that took us above. So momentum could kick in back now and really take us up to target these highs. So incredibly, incredibly bullish. Obviously, we're looking to target a new all-time high on Floki if we can get back up here. So that would be a 42% move from where we are right now. Okay, talking about this, let's talk about future price targets for Floki. I'm actually going to drop this down into a 3-day so we can see the candles a little bit more clearly. And for price targets, it's really hard on Floki because when this breaks above all-time high, we're going to be in price discovery, so not financial advice. But I want to show you guys how we can predict where the market will go based off Fibonacci. So let me hide this for a second. Bring on a trend-based Fib extension. We can look from the impulse of this leg, where the impulse started, back down to the low, and this will put on our trend-based Fib extensions. If we look here, really our initial target is the 1.272 coming in at 39, the 1618 at 48, and then the 4618 all the way up here at 0013. So that would be initial target is 75% away, the 1618 118% away, and then I can't even see how far this up. 500% away from where we are right now to the 4.618. So in a bull run, things can get absolutely wild here. We just need the hype to kick in, the momentum to kick in here, and really the focus to be on meme coins as it continues. If GME can absolutely run GameStop like it's continuing to do, people think it's cooled off now, but when you compare it to its last all-time high, I think this is just getting started. So keep an eye on Floki here. Are you bullish on Floki? Are you just playing Doge, SHIB, Pepe, Bonk? Let me know in the comments below. Wojak, did you take that trade? Are you up massive? I hope you guys are. So let me know in the comments below. Cheers, guys.